All right, we're gonna go check out the Darius by Richmond American Homes. This is located here in Oak Ridge at Crystal Valley. Their whole focus is somewhere in the high 900s to just over $1 million. I won't put an exact price on it because of course those prices change and they are subject to change at any moment. But let's walk inside and take a look at this guy. This is a 5,000 square foot ranch floor plan that can have a variety of configurations. Couple of bedrooms up on the main level, a couple of bedrooms in the basement. This thing is decked out. You guys are really gonna like this home. All right, walking into the Darius. Little bedroom right off of the entrance. And I say little, massive 10-foot ceilings. Its own separate bath. Zoom in there and take a look at this guy. Look at that tile. Tray ceilings in here. Plenty of space in this big master bedroom. Oh man, it's got the big spa setup. Pretty good sized closet right in here. Quartz countertops. Big shower with a seamless glass. And an extra big linen closet. It's also really deep. Things like a vacuum and cleaner in here if you wanted. You'll see the rest of the home. The Darius definitely impresses with its big open floor plan concept. And I actually don't mind all the grays and whites in here. Huge atrium slider. Leads out to this really great covered patio. Double wall ovens, huge corner style pantry. Get another look at this. Space in here. This is big furniture. I really like it when builders put big furniture in there because it lets you know just what you could fit in here. Heading down the hallway. Separated dining area. I've got the zoom pulled back in quite a bit. And even at that, this room still looks monstrous. This staircase is just pretty amazing, for lack of a better word. Depending on how you configure the Darius, this could be a bedroom. So you could actually get 3 on the main. And then there's this additional space right through here. Gives it a flex living room. There's a little small space for a little refrigerator. So I see this as an optional like live-in sort of apartment, if you will. Because there's this bedroom back here. It's really good size, again, based on the furniture that's in here. And it has its own private bathroom. Nice tall countertop. Seamless glass shower. So yeah, this space could be great. Multi-generational setup, perhaps older kids, guests that come to stay, they get their own private suite. Laundry area. There's a separate linen closet in the back. And then here's a guest half bath for the main level. I love that it's not next to the kitchen. And then another coat closet coming off of the owner's entrance. This is the model, so it says sales office. Let's go in the basement. We're in the basement of the Darius. Oh man. 9-foot tall ceilings. And for an in-ground basement, this feels really dark. It's also incredibly cool down here as far as the temperature goes. So hot summer days, this is the spot to be. Obviously tricked it out with a lot of fun items, pool table, card table, the nice wet bar over there. Think about hosting the big game here. Nice spot for a foosball table if you're into that. Check out this wet bar. I've seen some wet bars in my day, but this one's pretty impressive. Full-size dishwasher, little sink. Perfect for all that glassware. I see a theater room right through there. Let's check that one out. They've just got a foosball table in here, but close these doors, dim the lights, showtime. Understair storage right there. I'm gonna be brave and open up this door. And we have the mechanical space. Direct vent water heater, high efficiency furnace, air conditioning. Gotta love it. What's in here? Huge bathroom. Again, seamless glass shower. Nice tall countertop. Nice high-end fixtures. Some more unfinished storage. We'll get to that in a moment. And another bedroom in here. Again, good sized bedroom based on the size of the furniture. That's a queen bed, but still makes the room look pretty big. 9-foot ceilings in a basement are always welcome. Size of this closet. You could sublet that thing. And let's check out this unfinished square footage. Great spot for workout equipment, small little workshop. You have a bunch of stuff you want to store, just close the door and forget about it. So great stuff. We just got done walking through the Darius built by Richmond American Homes. What did you think? I really liked the large flowing through open floor plan concept, from the dining room to the living room to the kitchen to the separate breakfast nook and then out to the patio. The really large master, the open flex space that's right here on the main level. That was really cool. I also really enjoyed the basement that was just enormous. There was so much stuff going on down there. I think this floor plan delivers a lot. It does come at a price tag of around 1.1 to 1.2 depending on how it's configured, but at this price range we need to see options like this. So if you want to learn a little bit more about it, please reach out to me. And thank you so much for watching these videos. I do have a lot of fun making these and sharing what I see on a day-to-day basis with all of you.